Okay, check this out. I just found out that DeepCode can convert research papers into actual production-ready code. Like, how wild is that?
Wait, seriously. So, researchers don't have to manually implement algorithms anymore. That sounds like a game changer.
Right? I mean, the time researchers spend coding instead of being innovative is huge. This could really streamline that.
Totally. But doesn't that take away a bit of the skill and understanding? Isn't there a risk of researchers losing touch with the details?
That's a solid point. If they rely too much on automation, they might miss out on key insights from actually coding it. What if they end up misunderstanding their own work?
Exactly. It's like relying strictly on a GPS. You might get to your destination, but you'll miss the scenery and the landmarks along the way.
Oh, that's a great analogy. So while deep code can enhance speed, it should still be used as a tool, not a crutch.
For sure. And there's more. DeepCode uses a multi-agent system that analyzes and generates the needed code based on various inputs.
Multi-agent system, that's like having a whole team of AI working together, right? What's the advantage there?
Exactly, it brings efficiency. Each agent has a specific task, like understanding user needs or finding relevant code bases for reference.
That's kind of amazing. It's like a well-oiled machine. But what about the complexity of keeping all those agents in sync?
Good question. Coordination must be a challenge. If the agents aren't communicating effectively, it could lead to errors.
Right? If just one piece of the system isn't aligned, the whole output could be off. I wonder how they tackle that.
They say the central orchestrating agent coordinates everything and makes strategic decisions. Smart planning sounds crucial.
So it's like a conductor for an orchestra, but can it handle unexpected complexities during the coding process?
Exactly. That's the real test. They suggest it adapts its strategies in real time, which sounds innovative but also risky.
True, adapting is one thing, but can it really grasp the nuances of complex problems? I'm skeptical about that part.
Totally understandable. There's a fine line between adaptive efficiency and losing the grip on the coding principles.
And don't forget the potential bugs. If deep code misinterprets a requirement, that could lead to a cascade of issues.
Right, and debugging in generated code can be such a pain. It's often harder than writing the code from scratch.
So they need a smart debugging system too, huh? The insights gained during implementation are invaluable.
Exactly. There's a risk that the automation might gloss over important issues that would surface during manual coding.
The interesting part is how deep code automates unit testing, though. That could actually streamline quality assurance.
True, but how reliable is that? It's only as good as the algorithms behind it. Do they really address all edge cases?
And can it keep up with how fast programming languages and frameworks evolve? Is it future-proof?
Those are valid concerns. Automation does improve efficiency, but sometimes it can lag behind real-world developments.
And speaking of efficiency, I was thinking about developers constantly repeating similar patterns. Deep code could help there.
Exactly. It could let developers focus on more creative and less repetitive tasks, boosting overall innovation.
But then again, it raises the question of originality. If too many people rely on the same tool, does innovation suffer?
That's an interesting dilemma. Does relying on a single system homogenize the outputs, making them less unique?
Totally, so it's like riding a roller coaster, exciting, but you can lose sight of where you really want to go.
Great point. Every thrilling innovation can come with safety risks, especially in tech.
I guess it's about finding a balance, leveraging deep code's efficiency while still retaining human insight.
Absolutely. The best solutions will always combine automation with human creativity and rigor.
And maybe consider new ways to foster unique ideas even while using these powerful tools.
Totally. So, the future could be really promising if we know how to balance tech with human intuition.
I love that. It really leaves you thinking about how intertwined our tech tools and creativity can be.
Yeah, let's keep that curiosity as we navigate these innovations. It's going to be a wild ride.
Definitely, and I can't wait to see where all this exploration leads us in the coding world.
Me too, there's so much to uncover and think about. Exciting times ahead for sure.
Here's to diving deep into the coding future. Who knows what we'll discover next?